Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be sharing this with you today. So this is going to be sneak peek day 1 for the release Pixi Dust Designs for the month of November, and it is all Christmas themed, but it doesn't have to be. But I've created Christmas projects. So in the next 3 days, including today, I'm going to be sharing with you what's part of what's included in the release. So in this video, I will be sharing with you these 2 new products. Now this one is called the Snow Globe, and as you can see, it's a really good size, you guys. Look at my hand. And then it's not a coordinating stamp set, but she designed this stamp set to go with the Snow Globe. And I colored 3 of the images, and I only ended up using 1. I was supposed to make more snow globes, but I'll do that in the near future, but not right now, because I really wanted to get this video out there. And you'll see that I've done some of the prepping in the back. I already have my colored images, and it's ready to go, you guys. So I'm super excited. So here is the stamp set. The stamp set is called Holly Jolly. Oh, also, I don't have it with me, but this stamp set does come with a stamp set as well. So it has a coordinating die set. That way you don't have to cut it out by hand if you don't want to, or if you're like me who likes to fussy cut, then you can just fussy cut like I've done here. So here is the snow globe, and you get a lot of dies, you guys. So here is the big snow globe, and then it comes with the leaves, comes with the berries, trees. This is a bow. This is a set of bells. This is these, like, the little hills, and then this is the shaker part, and then in here it says Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. And so here is what I was talking about, that I kind of prepped some of it. But if you know about Pixi Dust Designs, you know that they have everything, all the dies that are included you can see them in the back, so you know exactly what you're getting. Look at that tiny little tree. It's so cute. So let me share with you my snow globe. Now, I was supposed to make one that was not a shaker, because originally I was supposed to make 3. That's why I have these extra images, and that's why I have this one. But I'll do that, and I'll share that in a later video. But for now, let me share with you this. Oh my gosh, I think it's so cute, you guys. So you can see right there one of the images. Now, my inspiration for the coloring was, I used the Doodlebug Let It Snow. So I noticed, as you can see, this little snowman right there has like a blue and red hat, and his scarf is red. And then same thing with the penguin. There's a penguin in here that has was it a penguin? I'm pretty sure I saw a penguin that had like the hat was polka dot. This penguin right there. So that's what I try to do here. That was my inspiration. And look at this. I think it's so pretty, you guys, and it's a shaker. Oh, so nice. Now this right here, this snowy looking thing, is this new product that I got. I saw it, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was one of the Primo marketing videos that I watched, and they were using this item right here. It's called the Marshmallow Paste. Now, I got this from scrapbook.com, but I'll have all of these products linked down in the description box. And I recently hauled a lot of this sequins. Oh my gosh, and I love it. I'm sorry that I'm shaking it. Some people like it, some people don't. But I love it. Oh my gosh, I just love it. I love the sound of a shaker, you guys. Now this is ready for me to use it as a decor piece, to use it on a card. I can even make a card out of this. Oh my gosh, I think it's so pretty. And there's that one. Now I made 2 of them. The second one, I made it using Frank Garcia Candy Cane Lane. And look at this. This was the one that I was supposed to make. It wasn't supposed to be a shaker, but at the end, I ended up making a shaker. I got all my ephemera here and a flower there, and that says Merry Little Christmas. As you can see, this one is also from the Frank Garcia ephemera. This one says Holly, Holly Jolly and Mary. And then that's what this looks like. And I really loved this image right here, the one with the deer. So cute. There it is, you guys. Oh, I think they are so adorable. So you can see this one is very cutesy. This one is very beautiful in my opinion. And yeah, you guys, so there are my two shaker snow globes. Hope you like it, and I hope you are excited about this new release that is coming out Friday, November 4th. So on that day, I will be revealing everything that's coming out. But for now, I'm just sharing with you sneak peeks. It's not available on the website, but it will be available November 4th. All right, you guys, so that is it for today. As usual, I will have links to all of these products in the description box so you can check them out. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye, everyone.